In today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue: how to recover deleted text messages on your Android device. Whether you've accidentally deleted something important or lost messages during a reset, I've got some effective methods to help you restore the messages. Let's get started. First up, let's check if you have a backup. Most Android devices automatically back up your data, including messages. So here's how to check. Go to your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Accounts. Select your Google account and then look for data sync. If SMS backup is enabled, your messages may be saved there. Another quick tip: sometimes your messaging app has a built-in recovery feature. For example, if you're using Google Messages, open Google Messages, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner, then go to Settings. If you have a backup option, check to see if any deleted messages can be restored. If all else fails, consider reaching out to your mobile carrier. Sometimes carriers keep records of text messages and may be able to assist you in recovering them. Just give them a call and explain your situation. And that's it for today's tutorial on recovering deleted text messages on Android.